G'day everyone, Alex from Paperform here. Now today I'm going to share with you how you can easily generate a form using your Airtable database. Let's check it out. Whether you have an Airtable database that you need to update or you've recently built a new database and you want to create new records within, but you want to automate this process, in this video we'll demonstrate how you can effortlessly generate a form from your Airtable database. And then each time your form receives a submission, you can automatically create a new record in that table. Well, here I've created a simple Airtable database titled Client and Project Management. Within it, I have my table, My Clients 2023. The fields included are company, contact name, email, phone number, and industry. I'll admit, I've been pretty unorganized and haven't prepared for 2023 properly. So I want to send out a form to my clients to collect information that I can then fill into this table. That way I can hit 2023 from the ground running. Luckily, with Paperform, this process is a breeze. So head into your Paperform dashboard and then select Create a Form. Then start from scratch. Next, navigate to a blank line and use the / command shortcut, typing a / followed by Airtable. Select Import Questions from Airtable from the options. This will open a pop-up window prompting you to add your Airtable account if you haven't already done so. So follow the prompts to connect your Airtable account. And once you have, you'll then need to select the database and the table you wish to import questions from. This will then reveal all available questions to the selected table. If you wish to not import a specific question, simply toggle the option off here. Then select Import Questions once you're done. How easy. Each of my Airtable fields have been merged over with their correlating field type. If we navigate to the configuration of my industry question, we can see that the options as well have been merged over into Paperform. Tourism and travel, restaurant and dining, branding, and other. Groovy. All that's left to do is to send this out to my 2023 clients and get ready for the new year. To do that, I'll head to Share, Social and URL, where I can collect the URL and send it off. Even better, once someone submits the form, automatically the submission data will be merged into my Airtable, creating a new record. Let's check it out. We'll head to the top right corner of our form editor and select the eye icon there. We'll then quickly fill this out, answering each of those individual questions, and then we'll hit submit. Boom. Then if we jump into Airtable, we can see that a new record has been automatically created. If we jump back into our Paperform form editor, then we navigate to After Submission, Integrations and Webhooks. There we can see the connection with our Airtable. And if at any time we want to edit, delete, look at the history, or duplicate it, or even turn it off, we can do it from this page here. Now, to learn how you can connect submission data of other forms with your Airtable, be sure to check out the video linked in the top right corner of this video here. And that's it from me. I hope it's been a helpful video. If it has, be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos on Paperform. Good luck and have fun creating.